everyone, welcome to Alice's Kitchen. It's Father's Day tomorrow in Australia, that is, and my little boy has asked me to help him make some chocolate cupcakes for Daddy. So we are going to take you through the ingredients that we are going to use today. We have got 190 grams of plain flour, that is 1¼ cup. We have got 250 mils, which is 1 cup of buttermilk at room temperature. We've got 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup, which is 60 mils of vegetable oil, 3/4 cup, which is 150 grams of caster sugar. We have got 1/3 cup, 50 grams of cocoa powder. I've modified the recipe to make it easy for my little boy, so we are just going to be using one bowl. We'll start off by sifting all the dry ingredients into the bowl. So everything is well combined now and blended. I'm just gonna pop this to the side whilst we mix the wet ingredients. Now we're just going to combine the wet ingredients. The oil. TJ, I want you to whisk that. Now bring your hand and we're going to mix that. Be gentle, okay? So what type of cupcakes are these?
Chocolate.
So our butter is ready. Usually I use an ice cream scoop to fill up, but today because I want my boy to do it, I'm gonna make it easy for him. So I'll put it in a measuring jug so he can pour into the prepared tin. So we've got our 12 cupcakes here, and now we are going to put them in the oven, preheated to 180 degrees, and they'll bake for 15 to 20 minutes. If you are using a fan forced oven, then adjust the temperature to 160.
Once the cupcakes are in the oven, I want to tell you what we're gonna do on Father's Day. We're gonna have a picnic. Now the cupcakes are cooked, we're gonna let them cool down, then icing.
Our cupcakes have cooled down, and this little boy says he just wanted to ice them with some fresh cream. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use some thickened cream together with some icing sugar, and that's how we're going to make our frosting. So this is 600 mils of thickened cream. Make sure it's really cold, straight from the fridge. Our frosting is ready. I'm just going to pipe the cupcakes for him, and then I'll let him do the pictures that we are going to use for the final touch. So now I'm just going to pipe them for him. So this last one I'm just gonna do with him. So it might be messy, bear with us. Start in the middle, TJ. Beautiful, good job.
Now I'm gonna put a picture that says Happy Father's Day.
Okay, just put it in the center. Good job, well done.
Now are we done?